Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network with PocketBook Verse Pro. To do this, first we'll need to click on the apps, navigate to the settings, enter Wi-Fi, and right here make sure that the Wi-Fi network access is enabled. Then select whichever network you want to connect with. In this case I'm going to go with this one, but first I need to forget it. Now select that network, enter the password if it's protected by one like this. Then confirm it and you should be connected with that Wi-Fi network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.